What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. We are back in the garage here with Sky. My GoPro battery is about to die, so I got one's charging up right now. But we are in the shop with the good old Honda Civic and beautiful ATOTO X10 radio system. As you guys know, ATOTO has been a huge sponsor of the channel for many, many years now. I've gotten ATOTO radios in all the vehicles that I've ever bought, and now Sky is going to get his own ATOTO radio, which has GPS and hands-free. This one has cameras, has all kinds of stuff. GPS, antenna, Wi-Fi, signal pickup. Yeah, we got all kinds of goodies here. Instruction manual. Oh God. All these things, I don't know what they do, but all these things. But so we have a double DIN install for this, but it doesn't quite fit. The one thing I've discovered about these ATOTO radios is some of them don't fit like a double DIN insert for your car, so you do have to slightly modify them. We got the Dremel for that. I'm not going to bore you in this video with too much talking and yada yada yada. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook everything up. We're going to get the radio installed into his. This does have an aftermarket radio in it, as you guys can see. We're going to pull all this out, put the new one in, and we're going to show you what this radio can do, because it's actually pretty freaking awesome. I always have loved the ATOTO options, and this one is no different. Lots of cool stuff. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Let's get to work. There's a 350Z. Oh, there's the bike. Oh, beautiful bike.
Yeah, bike.
Oh my God, a beautiful bike.
And don't forget a piece of junk next to it.
Yeah, what the fuck? Oh yeah, this is a piece of junk. We gotta get Zach in here, guys. Comment below if you want to see Zach come into the garage and start tearing this thing apart. Like, the motor's half torn apart. Like, he did lock the engine up, so
that's good.
Yeah, he did lock the engine up. We do have another engine sitting here. As you can see, there's a fully forged B18, which I had on the channel a while ago. There's Sky's VQ35D right there. But yeah, there's a motor there. But Zach needs to get his ass in here and really kind of focus on getting his car running for the spring, hopefully. He's been lazy playing Arma and other video games for some odd reason. So comment below. Let me know if you want Zach in here working on his Integra. Because it's just sitting here, which is fine. At least it's out of the elements, but it's just sitting here, which is kind of gay. And also, what do you think about this wing? Pick up that wing. Let's put it on the car and see. That's Zach's old wing. This is Zach's old wing off of his Integra. How would you guys feel about it being on the good old Honda?
Dude, come on, guys.
Let's see. That does look good.
That'd be pretty nice.
That does look good. That'd be a nice wing. Comment below. It would fit. Like, what we gotta do is drill holes here. Paint it black, drill holes here. This would be a nice wing. Be a nice wing. Let me see the other side.
Spray paint this thing black.
Yeah, like this would be, even if you bring it back like to here, right there, and bring the other side back. Dude, that would be perfect. That wing would be freaking perfect, guys. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, let's get to work. Let's start hooking all this stuff up and show you what it looks like when it's all in. All right, guys, radio's installed. We're in the car. Figured it'd be a little bit better to just drive around and stuff like that. But look at that, guys. What do you think, Sky? Pay attention to driving.
I am paying attention to driving.
Good.
Just kidding.
Look at that ATOTO, guys. ATOTO X10. Very nice setup, very nice system. All touchscreen, by the way, so he can call people. He can go to Spotify, Maps. He can separate everything. Volume is touchscreen right here, as you guys can see. You can also press the button. I will say, from older models, they had hard buttons down at the bottom. I kind of like the hard buttons over the soft buttons. I'm not a big fan of the soft buttons because I don't want to look down and have to feel where I have to like touch and stuff. But yeah, then you got all kinds of other stuff. Oh, look.
Oh my God, the Z's there.
Look at that. So you have all your apps, your calendar, all that stuff. Discord. He has Discord.
I have Discord kittens, guys.
Unbelievable. But yeah, so you have all kinds of different things here. You can go back to the regular screen. It has GPS. And what's really, really cool is, like, say for example, Sky needs gas. So Sky.
Hi.
No, like say.
Oh. Oh, hey Google. Take me to Sheets in Shillington. No, I just ran over a squirrel.
Navigating to sheet.
Sucks for the
I just
squirrel.
ran over a dead squirrel.
Yeah, he's already dead. So yeah, it's all hands-free, which is freaking awesome, guys. Like, that's the coolest part, especially a little, we're not gonna actually go, well, I mean, we are going to Sheets, but we know how to get there. So the cool part about it, guys, is like, he can make phone calls. Yeah, why is that? Come on, speed up, dude. I'm not talking to him, I'm talking to the guy in front of us. So the nice thing about it is now it's completely hands-free. He has his little mic up there and everything. But what's really cool is now he can brake before he hits a car.
Well, shut up.
What do you mean, my shut up? You pay attention.
Yeah.
You pay attention to driving.
Ah.
This is just like your brother.
I'm a better driver than my brother.
So the benefit of all of this, especially for a 16-year-old kid, guys, is it's all hands-free system. He can literally say, I'm not going to say it because it'll come up. I'm not going to say it because if I say, hey Google, it'll recognize my voice. But if I say that and say, call mom or call dad or, you know, call brother Zach, it'll actually do that full call all by itself without him having his hands off the freaking steering wheel and having him two cops.
There's another effort of cops.
Holy smokes.
Whoa, guys.
2 effort of cops down here, guys.
Sorry.
Holy smokes. There he
10
is.
and 2. I'm good.
He's good. He's good.
Well, he set up a speed trap. That's why. There's a speed trap back there.
Oh, were you speeding?
Yes.
Are you getting pulled over?
No, I'm actually going slower than the speed limit right now.
No, that's because the car in front of you is going slower than the speed limit in front of you. That's why. So anyways, guys,
Need 'em.
little action there, you know. But anyways, what's nice about this, like I stated, is it's completely hands-free. He can make phone calls. He can put in destinations without ever touching the radio itself and just speaking to it, which is freaking awesome. And that's any Android Auto. That's any iPhone, whatever the iPhone junk is called. But ATOTO, like I said, guys, ATOTO has been such a huge sponsor of the channel. I can't thank them enough, guys. I cannot thank them enough. Their link, as always, has been in the description below. It's always been in the description below, and it's always going to continue to be in the description below because of the fact that they've been such a great sponsor of the channel over all of these years. So what do you think?
Great people.
No, what do you think about the radio, goofball?
Oh, the radio's pretty cool. It's nice.
Yeah, we got to get the rear camera working. Yeah, you're gonna get on the highway here. So we didn't hook up the rear camera. It actually came with a front camera. So he has a front camera, but the rear camera's not hooked up. We have to power up the rear camera to the reverse light. That way when he puts it in reverse, it lights up, and then he'll have a reverse, or he'll have a reverse of picture right here with the reverse camera, which will be pretty cool. I know it's a small Honda Civic. He probably doesn't need it.
I'm whipping this hoe in the snow.
That rhymed.
I know. That was on purpose. Oh, 55. Forgot.
Yes, this is 55 here. Everybody goes like 80 on this freak on 222 North. Everybody goes 80 miles an hour. None of them go 55.
55.
It's ridiculous how fast people go on this highway. It's ridiculous. But yeah, guys, the installation was pretty straightforward. You know, every car is going to be a little different. We had to take this center console out, take this out, modify the double din setup. Like I said, every car is going to be a little different on installation of this system. There's a lot of wires to this. I don't know. I think that's the GPS monitor right there. The Wi-Fi monitor is behind here. And it also has, we have storage recording device for the front camera if you ever want to hook that up. We have USB external storage. Play stuff off of there or download things. The other cool thing that I thought was neat was you can actually put a 4G SIM card in here, and I'm assuming that's just to have Wi-Fi or have internet on the radio here. But honestly, if you have Android Auto, there we go. Android Auto, you should be able to do Messenger and everything from Android Auto. I guess if he puts the app on here for the internet, he can also do the internet as well. But yeah, so Android Auto pretty much solves all the problems regardless. So you probably don't need all these different wires down here, but we hooked them up anyways, just to make sure they were there.
Big truck.
What? You're fine.
Big truck.
It's just
guys,
a little.
I'm almost at 209, 209.
209, 209.
I'm almost at 209, 209.
He bought the car with 208,000.
209. Almost on the dot.
We're still chasing a little bit of an oil leak. We have an oil leak, an engine oil leak coming from somewhere. So we got to check that out. But I told him, I was like, just make sure you keep an eye on the oil. Everything should be fine. You know what I mean? But yeah, the car's running great, by the way, since the head gasket's been done. I know you guys have seen that video as well, but the head gasket's been done. Fluid's been holding good. The heat in this car is freaking amazing. It is great. Like, we had to turn it down. It gets so freaking hot in here. Like, he's not gonna have any issues with heat, which is freaking cool. But yeah, guys, like I said, big shout out to ATOTO. If you guys are interested in a ATOTO radio for your ride, link in the description below. Go check them out. But other than that, we're gonna end the video. Just a nice little simple explanation of the radio and making sure my kid's safe driving now that he can actually not, you know, well, he wasn't using his phone to talk anyways while he was driving, but now he is guaranteed not to have to use his phone to talk. He can actually just call us.
Driving is illegal, kids. Don't do it.
Jesus Christ.
And adults. I know some of you guys still do it. I be seeing
all the adults. All the adults do it. All the adults do it.
Don't be doing that. That's bad.
Unbelievable.
No.
All right, guys. Other than that, we're gonna end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, guys, and
Deuces.